racer, he's a demon on wheels. He's a demon and he's gonna be chasing after someone. He's gaining on you, so you better look alive. He's busy revving up the powerful Mach 5. Go speed racer, go speed racer, go speed racer, go!
Hi guys, this is Bill from Spencer1984.com with a new project on the bench. And if I'm going to be having a year of speed-themed cars really has to get done, the Mach 5 from Speed Racer. Now, this is the Aoshima kit, so just a quick note about the somewhat confusing box art. In the original anime, the car was called the Mach, not the Mach 5, and the 7 full version just means it's a 7-gadget, full-detail version of the car. So it reads a little bit weird, but that's the reason for it. Taking a look at the rest of the box, have a nice piece of art here on the front. And a close-up with the steering wheel controls. You got that repeated on both ends. And on this side, you get to see some of the gadgets that it comes with. The saw blades, the hood opens, the wings, the canopy. It's got all that fun stuff in here. So, taking a look inside the box. And the first thing we've got is the instruction sheet. And it's the typical exploded diagram. Where you build the engine, build the body, build the interior, pull all the sub-assemblies together. Some of the part breakdown is a little bit weird in this. I don't like the way that they've got the body split. But take a little bit more look at that in a minute. They give you the full breakdown of what each parts tree has on it. You've got the chrome tree and the clear tree as D and G. Decals and the photo etch parts. Our first parts tree is the chrome one. We've got the intake manifold, the 4 wheels, shift lever, tailpipes, rocker covers, more wheel components, the auto jack feet, and generally everything looks nice and clean. Don't see any flash on it. And the next bag has a clear parts tree. This has some more optional parts. We've got the canopy and the propellers for the Frogger mode. Got the little winglets. And over here we've got the decal sheet for it. And that looks pretty good. Take a look at these gauges. Those are nice and sharp. Those look really good. And next up we've got another clear parts tree. And this has the stock parts like the standard low-cut windshield, the headlight covers, and the taillights. And those are looking pretty good. And next up we got a little sheet of photo etch parts. And that includes the saw blades, the valve cover nameplates, and a bunch of interior details. Just like some nice sharp work on these. And next up we've got a bag that has the 4 tires in it, and they are soft vinyl. And next up we've got a bag of hoses, and the instructions just suggest using these for detailing the engine compartment. And we've got 2 bags of metal shafts. These ones are, I believe, the axles, and then we've got a second one here. I think these are for some of the gadgets that pop out of the car. Not 100% on that. And taking a look at the first of the white parts trees, we've got some exhaust pipes, the tie rod, the rear springs, the rear axle, got the auto jacks, got the 2 halves of the engine, the exhaust manifolds, steering components, and the saw arms. And the next one has a bunch of detail parts. We've got some under the hood details, we've got the tire traction, got some suspension parts, got the door panels, got the greebles for inside the trunk, got some more engine bay detailing. And next up, we've got the door panels for the optional Frogger mode, plus the filler panels for the side intakes. And next up, we've got the bottom half of the car, which is some of the chassis and some of the body. and I don't care for that. We've got the lower front suspension and saw carrier, plus the bottom of the nose. And then finally, this tree has some interior components, including the seats, the dashboard, and there's no gauge detail on here at all. It relies on the decals to get that done. The radiator, the bird, side fins, the steering wheel, and a few more greebles for here and there. Plus, we got the upper half of the body. And the sculpting actually looks really pretty decent. I just don't like the way that they split the body. And for anybody wondering how this compares to the Polar Lights kit, there you go. And yeah, the Polar Lights kit is a lot smaller. The interior bucket looks about the same size, just this kit has much wider doors on it and is quite a bit longer. So, can't do any part swapping between those two. Now, as I get started working on this, I really do not like the way that they broke the body down. I always hate it when they have giant seams like that, and I got a feeling that as good as this kit is, there's not going to be any way that the top and bottom halves made up seamlessly. So that's one modification I know I'm going to be doing. I don't know if I'm going to be doing a whole lot else. Kind of get a feel as I go through the build. But there's a look at the kit. I'm going to be starting in on it. Probably start with doing some modifications so I can build the body a little different. And I will have another update on it next week. So you can check back then, and thanks for watching.